बोलना नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि what if she's watching. One का पेपर के लिए उसने Sans 2 पढ़ा था.
अरे बाप रे.
I know who you're talking about.
How is it always that every class has this one namuna?
इतने टाइम में नहीं हुआ. Exactly. Sorry.
पास तो हो गई ना.
4-5 बजे मैं पढ़ने बैठ ही नहीं सकती. That is not me.
Exactly.
4-5 बजे
In the
I
evening.
don't
हाँ,
sit to
हाँ,
study.
अरे भाई पागल है क्या बाहर धूप है. In my bag and that had aloo in it. Oh, and my maths textbook. It smells like aloo.
And I am so scared at this point. I'm crying. My tears are falling
Yeah,
on
yeah.
the paper. She takes my book, flings it across the hall, and I am cold.
New Delhi is the capital of Maharashtra.
Maharashtra, yes. There was like 1,000
yeah,
MCQs
yes,
in that
yes,
masterpiece.
yes, yes.
I was like, I'm not going to do all of this. Fuck
Yes.
this.
Yeah.
And fuck, I should have done it.
Hi guys, I'm Dhritika.
I'm Zia.
I'm Srishti.
And I'm Sanjana.
And we
are
Besharam.
So, you know how there's like Morse code in like ships, right? Where they like do the beep,
In army.
beep, beep, beep.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Dots and dashes.
Yes,
Yes.
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 I think there's something to be said about how there's a Morse code of its own for exams, where everyone
Oh,
just
yeah.
knows if I'm
Yes.
looking at you and I'm like,
You know it's
Yeah,
A.
yeah.
it's A.
touching the
It's
forehead.
Yes.
This,
The
it's
nose,
like
the cough.
Usually in
Yeah.
college, for us, it was just this is A, B, C, and
No,
D.
that was question number. This was A, B, C, D.
I have gotten so many wrong.
Exactly.
Because I
This
used to
is
look at
question
you
number.
also.
Yeah, I know. And
Like,
we
we
like
used to
question
cheat
one.
like that.
And then like A, B, C, D or whatever, or like true or false, whatever. Like right is true, left is false.
No, true or false is the worst question to ask in a paper because 50% chance I'll get it right. Like,
yes.
MCQ is also 25% chance I'll get it right.
MCQ though, it's like a guessing game of its own only.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
I
yeah,
miss
yeah.
having MCQs in papers.
You
now,
know,
yeah.
once there was this girl in my school. We had true or false.
Hmm.
She wrote false. The answer was false only, but she wrote wrong spelling.
Of
Oh,
Flash?
I don't know
Oh,
what.
wait. Do you mean the ones that make it look like true and false together?
No.
She just spelled
T or
it wrong.
F?
She just
Nah.
spelled it wrong. I think she
How
wrote
do you-
FAU L
Brother.
or something.
False.
Brother.
Bichari ka
False.
ek
I feel like
Valid.
if I was a teacher, one of those teachers who did like social studies and English, you know, the kind of
Yeah,
teacher I
yeah,
was.
yeah.
I think I would give points for like creativity.
I agree.
Oh,
Yeah.
is it
Those-
French?
Those
Is it French?
Those
Yeah.
creative
Let's not talk
Instagram
about
memes,
French.
those creative Instagram memes that
Oh,
people.
Oh yeah.
This one professor, he actually made a video. He was checking 10th board papers.
Love.
Somebody wrote the entire lyrics of a song, and
Yes.
he actually went through
It
and
was
read the
not-
line.
It
Bhai-
was not board papers. It was Karachi board papers. I remember.
Yes.
Bhai, people write plots of movies and
Yeah.
everything.
I've had so many people give me tips.
I mean-
लंबा आंसर है, and start कर और end लिख, बीच में lyrics डाल दे.
Budding
I'm like, dude,
screenwriters.
what are you doing?
But I don't understand a lot, especially in college because of my field, or I don't know. But most people in my batch, हमारे पास इतना सारा लिखने के लिए होता था कि
Exactly.
पेपर नहीं खत्म
I
होता
mean,
था
हाँ,
तो
true,
तुम
true.
गाने लिख रहे हो.
Exactly, because whatever you write, it already makes sense.
हाँ.
लिख कर आ जाओ बस. और teachers answer पढ़ते
And
भी
if
नहीं
you
थे.
want-
Even if you want to write lyrics to the song, like turn it into an analogy for the answer that you're writing and make it relate, you know?
That would take too much
Wow.
mental pressure.
And that would
If
take a
you're-
lot of
If you're
time
writing
already.
a song in a paper, then imagine how down bad you already are. I don't think you're ready to put that
Make it
mental
make
strain.
sense. At least that's what I would do.
No, but I don't know why. What is it with exams? And I'm just like trying to remember an answer, but I will remember random as real songs and everything.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
You'll remember the exact page number and
The where it is.
Where it was.
looks.
Yeah,
How it
yeah.
looked. Oh my god.
But just you don't see the words.
you'll just see the
Yeah.
highlighted part, the
Yes.
pen mark from here to here,
Hmm.
but you'll just not remember the words in between.
One of
And the
my
context
so
or anything
annoying.
else.
yeah. One of my friends,
was-
this is how she judges if a paper's gone well or no. अगर उसके दिमाग के बैकग्राउंड में गाने बज रहे, मतलब पेपर सेक्सी गया. और अगर
Okay.
बुरा पेपर गया है ना, तो मतलब उसके दिमाग में पीछे गाने नहीं चल रहे.
Bro, पता है
And that's actually true for her. It works for her.
Oh.
अजीब है.
It's so weird.
There's this
Tenth,
one more
uh,
weird thing that works for me is like I do not sleep before exams. Okay, it's a
Really?
very bad
okay.
habit of mine.
I
So
don't
if I-
sleep either.
Me too.
Because
I mean,
I
don't
don't.
sleep.
I don't trust
No.
myself.
Same.
Yeah,
have
same,
to
same,
sleep.
same.
No.
I will not wake up. I'll wake up at
Same.
10. I'll be like, paper to khatam ho gaya.
Exactly. Exactly.
Go ahead.
So my paper would start. There were like some papers that would start around 10, and there was few papers that would start around 2,
Hmm.
2 to 5, or like 10 to 1.
Hmm.
So then we had 3 hours ka paper, and this is very recent, like
Hmm.
when I was getting my bachelor's done. And I used to not sleep the entire night. I'm
Hmm.
studying, and then I used to feel sleepy, okay, while writing the paper.
Naturally.
So then I came up with a system, and I'm like down by like 5 to 6 cups of coffee, and like black coffee
Hmm.
and everything, and my hands and all are trembling
Yeah.
like this, and
I
still
can't imagine.
can't.
I can't imagine
That's
myself
why
like that.
I need to sleep.
I
Mhm.
mhm.
Exactly. So then I go to the examination hall. Suppose 10 to 1 ka paper hai mera. I've started writing the paper. It's 10. I saw the paper. I've analyzed everything.
Hmm.
Okay, there are like 15 questions.
Right.
Big ones are 3, and this I do all of that maths and calculation. I see the time.
Right.
It's 10. I write till 11:15. I sleep
For how long?
25 minutes.
I
I
could do
sleep for
that.
25 minutes.
Yeah.
I get up back again 25 minutes later, and then
I judge weirdos like you. हाँ.
Nah,
And then
man.
I
I-
come
मुझे
the
तो
the
लगता
way
है कोई अगर
people
सो
like
रहा है
this.
पेपर में और मेरे क्लास में है तो मतलब वो
मुझे
fail हो रहा
एंजाइटी
है.
होती है. मुझे एंजाइटी
नहीं, I
होती है
know they
उसको
don't have
लेकर.
anything to write and they're
You
going to
know,
fail.
Exactly.
First of all, before papers, of course, like everyone else, you scram 75% or 80% of the portion
In one
that
night.
one night.
Yes.
Which is like few hours. At least for me, I need to
100%
sleep.
also I've done.
100%.
Yeah.
Same,
Same.
actually same.
पहली
For
बार
one
book
subject.
खोला है.
Yeah. There was this one time where I bought the book before the exam.
Love.
So it was my
मैंने
last
तो
paper.
बुक लिए भी नहीं है, फोटोज से पढ़ी हूँ मैं.
नहीं भाई,
WhatsApp
इतना
पे.
मेरे guts है ही
नहीं,
नहीं.
हाँ, नहीं है. प्रिंट आउट तो
Photos,
निकाला है.
WhatsApp पे, laptop पे, WhatsApp web और
Yeah.
Yeah, मैंने.
Nah, nah,
I've done that for
I've
a
done
few
all
I
that.
need
answers.
a hard copy because I have this habit. I keep marking important words just in case I forget the sentence or the entire
Yeah,
paragraph.
I have a habit
Important
of
words.
reading it and writing. That's how I remember. Like I'm reading something and then I write it, then I'll remember it.
But like for me, even like if I scram, let's say the entire book
Yeah,
in
yeah.
like the entire night, even if it's for like 2 hours, I need the sleep.
Nah.
Because I
No,
know
no,
I will get
wow.
up. I will get up because
Bro.
in the exam I can't be fucking
You're,
trembling and like
you're
dude,
so
because
brave.
no,
yeah.
I consider myself very brave for that because
I
there's this
see.
one guy. There was this one guy in my class who used to do the same thing that Srishti does,
Yeah.
and he used to sleep even before starting.
Dude.
10 बजे paper चालू हो रहा है, 10 to 10:30 he'll take a nap. 10:30 he will get up. 2.5 hours में he'll write his paper.
Yeah.
And
Bro.
I am anxious the entire time because I'm looking behind at him and I'm writing. And I'm like, bro, please get up. Please get
See,
up.
तुझे
the whole
अपन को
time.
एंजाइटी होती है वो
A
देखकर.
lot of
The
people,
whole-
a lot of teachers would come, and in the beginning they would come and like wake me up, like Srushti, what you don't know, what? And I used to tell him, "Hey, ma'am, I know everything. Don't worry." And then they stopped coming to me later.
Yeah.
On. They were like, "Hey, iska roz kya hai karne de."
The whole motivation of not sleeping and then going to give your paper is just after 2 hours, this will be over.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then I will go home and then I'll
Yes.
sleep as much as I want
Yes,
to because
yes.
I know I'm not going to study in the day.
Exactly.
Day में तो कुछ दिमाग में
Like
जाता
maybe
नहीं
just skim through, mark the importance or whatever.
पागल
I
है
would
क्या?
do
मैं
that.
नहीं
Oh,
खोल रही।
fuck. I would do
मैं नहीं
that.
खोली अपनी book.
I'm not
I
opening
would
the
do
book
that.
until it's 12 midnight.
No, I would
Yes.
do that.
Yes, when
Like, come home, have
it's-
lunch,
Yeah.
sleep, take a very sexy
Because,
long
you
nap, then
हाँ.
wake up, then like collect my notes because अलग-अलग जगह से लाना है ना अभी. एक दिन पहले तो थोड़ी ना.
Exactly. You know what I've realized is I always like everyone has done this. Like every semester, like next semester, I'm
Yes.
gonna be so prepared.
Yes.
But
Doesn't
you know
I just
what?
know myself too well.
Yeah,
Exactly. Towards the end, you're like, "Pata hai,
छोड़ना
नहीं
यार."
होने वाला है. Like, why even bother? But I've noticed this that when you have the entire day, let's say, okay, you're like, okay, fine, I'll start studying. I'll do this, I'll do that. But then towards the end, if you don't finish something, you're like, shit, nahi hua. I had the entire day I couldn't do. But then when you start at 12, you're like, bhai, ab to kaise bhi karke khatam karna
खत्म
hai.
करना ही है.
हाँ.
जो भी हो रहा है कर देती
हाँ.
हूँ.
Hmm.
So then you don't have an excuse to blame yourself कि oh I didn't have that much time.
Exactly.
इतने time में नहीं हुआ.
Exactly.
Sorry.
पास तो हो गई ना.
इसके
हो
लिए
तो गया ना.
मेरा खुद पे उतना भरोसा ही नहीं है. मेरे को पता है कि होगा ही नहीं. मेरे से 4-5 बजे मैं पढ़ने बैठ ही नहीं सकती. That is not me.
Exactly.
Nah,
4-5 बजे
In the
I
evening.
don't
हाँ,
sit to
हाँ,
study.
अरे भाई पागल है क्या बाहर धूप है.
अभी तक उजाला है.
मैं पढ़ाई क्यों करूं?
Yeah, no, that doesn't happen. Never happens.
Never.
No,
During
no.
exams, every student, at least college student, becomes a vampire. School students used to be so prepared; they didn't
Bro.
have to. I aspire to be as prepared in life as I used to be before any paper in school.
In school, I
Yeah,
agree.
yeah.
I knew everything.
भाई
You
revision
guys check.
revision से revision हो गया है.
हाँ.
Everything, not only from the textbook, from the digest, from the master
Master
key,
key,
from
21
tuition.
Guys, do you
everything.
remember 21 cells?
21 questions.
21 cells.
21 cells.
21
possible
did
books.
something for me.
Literally from all the possible books that were available at the time for that subject, we were prepared. It was
Yeah,
like tip of the tongue.
भाई नींद में उठा के पूछ लो जवाब पता है.
But like
Guys-
in tuition में they used to still say, but there is room for improvement.
Yeah.
Improvement.
और कितना improve, bro? I feel like if our tuition teachers saw us today, how we study and what marks we are
They would
getting.
faint. They would faint.
Yeah.
They would give up and faint. Like faint and give up.
So, guys, a little known fact about Besharam, we were in the same tuition.
Yes.
together.
That's how
And
we
that's how
started
we-
our
yeah.
friendship.
Only Dritika's like a outsider. We were in the same school.
The
Yeah.
three of us were in the same
Different
school.
school.
Yeah.
Wasn't.
And
care.
so our sir used to do this thing. He would have like timetable set. Do you guys remember the
Yes.
timetable?
Yeah.
And then every
As much as I hated it back then, I miss it.
I still do it.
I miss.
He
I can't
has
anymore.
he has gotten me habituated to it so down bad that even when I get the timetable of my exams, matlab during my bachelor's I would
Yeah,
get the timetable. As soon as I'd get my timetable, I'd start counting days and then I'd start make my timetable
yeah.
of how I would study.
No,
Bhai,
I
I wouldn't follow
वो
it.
किया है,
I
but follow
wouldn't
नहीं
follow
किया है.
it.
No,
हाँ,
he used to
but
do
I still
that, but
made it.
I never followed it.
I followed it only in school because I was a brat in school. I was
Yeah,
like
you were
very,
very.
yeah.
You were not
Sanjana
brat,
was
you were
very insufferable, huh?
I was very like stick to the timetable.
Yeah.
Get up at 7, breakfast
yeah.
at 7:30. Not 1 minute late.
I
not 1 minute
wasn't
before.
that kid, but like
Yeah.
subject wise, अगर आज सर ने ये बोला है तो यही करना है.
हाँ.
I
अपना
used to
दिमाग
make-
नहीं लगाना है.
I used to make a timetable for myself also, and then I used to make lists of lists of lists.
Wow, no.
No.
I'm never a list kid. I never was a.
I'm still, I
was
still
a-
am that.
I was
But
a list.
people in school, they were smart in this way. कि मतलब when we were in school also, we were smart कि पढ़ाई पहले से करेंगे, revision ही करना पड़ेगा last में. But उतने ही लोग dumb भी थे. मतलब ऐसे देखे हैं ना मैंने. आप मेरे स्कूल से हो तो congratulations आप हो. मैं बताती हूँ bro. एक बार एक बोलना नहीं सीखी कि what if she's watching, but
We
this
don't
one
care,
girl,
bro.
she came to science 1 का पेपर के लिए उसने science 2 पढ़ा था.
अरे बाप रे.
I know who you're talking about.
And she was crying near the special school, and somebody just told me कि वाह क्या चल रहा है. And I was like shit बेचारी.
But like, how is it always that every class has this one namuna?
She was not usually a
No,
namuna.
I'm talking about college specifically. Even if you're in like separate classes with like a completely different stream,
Yeah.
you always have this one person who ends up like this.
Yeah.
या तो
गलत
पढ़ के
पढ़
नहीं
लिया.
आए हैं, गलत पढ़ लिया है,
college
पेपर में सो गए हैं और एंड के 5 मिनट में लिखकर उठ के कॉन्फिडेंटली चल के बाहर जाते
I
हैं.
remember.
They're just born like that.
But college में ठीक है फिर भी चलता है. स्कूल में कौन करता है यार?
I remember there's this one friend of mine. He'll know I'm talking about him. Okay. You know. So like just right before the paper, he'd come to me and he'd be like, Srushti, हमारे पास 20 मिनट है. And then मेरा actually बहुत अच्छे से revision हो जाता था. I used to start from like module 5 and then I used to just explain him like हम लोग module 5 के ऐसे topics देख रहे हैं और मैं उसको topic के सारे ऐसे खुद से बता रही हूँ. मैंने जो याद किया है मैं उसको वैसे बता रही हूँ और वो वैसे हाँ हो गया module 5 module 4 हाँ ऐसे 20 मिनट में मैंने उसको
Yes.
पढ़ाया है और उसके अच्छे मार्क्स आए भी हैं.
And then you get less than him.
No.
That would fucking.
Yeah,
That
no,
would
that's
kill you,
annoying.
That would
And
kill
you
me.
know we had a
That
friend
never
that was
happened to
like
me.
that.
Yes,
That's what-
yes.
Bro,
Yes.
that
they pretend
it
कि
was
मुझे
very-
कुछ नहीं आता.
I swear.
मार चुदा
I
भाई.
swear मैं नहीं करती.
I hated such people.
एक
I
एक
hated
टाइम ऐसा भी
them.
था जो हम बात कर रहे सेम फ्रेंड she's called me up at 2 or 3 in the night saying मेरा कुछ पढ़ के नहीं हुआ.
Oh, I know.
उसने अभी
I
book
know, I
खोली
know,
है.
I know.
And then she ends up getting better marks. I'm like, dude,
इसीलिए,
be
you know,
honest.
I
I'm
used
not
to
gonna come and
avoid-
kill you.
I used to avoid calling her because I knew she talked to this girl and I didn't want all that pressure.
Yeah.
So I used to avoid talking to Dhritika a night before the exam. Even though bro, Dhritika was a G, okay, in college because I was a fest kid, as we know from our last episode. I was not paying attention to class in the entire year and she used to always tell me कि कल English का assignment है, कल sociology का
I've always
assignment है.
been that person.
Every bro ये नहीं होती, मैं आज भी Bachelor of Arts कर रही हूँ. सोचो,
4th year, only for Zia.
they made that course 4 years, you know now.
Inspired by you. Zia.
Inspired living.
Yes, that is how that goes. Yes,
Yeah.
you're right. You're right.
Yeah.
Anyway,
But it's like last minute revision also. Like I usually, again, I was like you know, explaining it to the others, like, you know, do this, do that, this will come. And then when some other smart chick comes up and she's like, oh, Sanjana, did you do this?
Oh, I hate such
What?
bitches.
What is this? What is this that you're referring
hate
to?
such
Mhm.
bitches.
Is
You
this
know,
is in syllabus?
in the
Yeah,
syllabus,
yeah,
no?
yeah. There
it's
is
not there. Why are you
there-
talking about
there
it?
is this-
Why?
there is this type of specific people, these kind of
Yeah.
people, and then people who discuss
Discuss
answers
papers.
after the paper.
Me.
I know.
I do.
I've never
I
been
run
that bitch.
that.
I run away from
I
people.
don't like to live in that fear. I'd rather live in disappointment than fear.
Ew,
No.
shut up.
No, no, no.
I'd rather not
Shut
give
up.
2 fucks.
Same.
I'd
Same,
rather
I'm
not
like,
give
हो
2
गया
fucks.
क्या ही
हाँ
करूंगी
भाई।
हो गया
Change तो
गया
नहीं कर सकते।
गया पेपर मेरा
Change नहीं कर
गया
सकते, खत्म.
I'm indifferent about it. I can do both. I just need
I have done
friends.
this. I have done this.
And I would hate
Nice.
people in my college.
You still hate me, no?
I mean, yeah.
I remember in school also if she would see me walking down she'd be like Srishti इसका आंसर क्या
I
था?"
would
I'm
never
like,
ask you.
you have asked me babe. You
Ooh.
have don't even
You have asked me.
Your glasses flung.
I'm kidding.
because I used to get very irritated yeah because I knew कि मैंने probably
भगा है।
गलत ही लिखा है exactly मुझे पता है मैं गलती करके आई हूँ मेरे को सुनना नहीं है कि मेरी गलती हुई है
हाँ, तो फिर गया ना तेरा पेपर तो सुन ले अभी.
नहीं.
नहीं सुनना वो ही
नहीं,
यार
That's a different
नहीं.
approach.
But you know, best,
हो गया
best thing
क्या?
I used to do school में, I remember. School में obviously I was the kind of kid that didn't have many friends to hang out with after the paper. So I used to cross the street and I used to go to the sandwich wala and I used to get 2 slices.
slice
With extra chutney and
And
say
extra
that was my motivation to finish my paper, I swear.
No, that's slapped every
That
time.
slapped.
No matter how many
Yeah,
you
yeah,
had.
It's the best snack to have at 11:30
yeah,
AM.
My mouth is watering right now.
I know, right?
Like,
Yeah, yeah.
True.
I just got the
Did we
taste
go-
of that chutney.
I know. I used to
Damn
put like
good.
the extra salt and pepper on it. Like
Yeah,
it's
too
literally
good.
potato, save, bread,
red
and
chutney.
Butter.
chutney. Butter. Bro,
Butter.
5 ingredients will change your life.
And guys, guess the price.
10 bucks.
rupees.
Yeah, but
Rupees.
no, when
What?
we started school, like when I was in like 4th, 5th standard, तभी 7 rupees था. जब मेरी बहन खरीदती थी मेरे लिए.
Oh.
And unlimited save and chutney.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
we would exploit-
and
And Priya would exploit him
Only
in
in
the name of
Bombay.
extra chutney.
No, I used to just take parcel and I used to eat it in my cab.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then I think it was someone else who would exploit him under the name of extra
Correct,
chutney. Like,
correct.
Or dalo, or dalo.
I to love that chutney. Anyway, so post paper in school, it used to be very funny because certain people around me were dumb as shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So one time we had the political map of India. Okay.
I think I know what you're talking about.
And the
Oh, I
question, the question was, point the capital of Maharashtra.
Okay.
Okay, we've all pointed nicely. We
Yes.
beside में वहाँ पर,
Mhm.
and we've named it Mumbai
Mumbai.
because
Obviously.
general fucking knowledge,
Yeah.
right? Come out, and then this girl taps on my shoulder. This girl taps on my shoulder. She's like, "इसका आंसर क्या लिखा?" Said यहाँ पर महाराष्ट्र के ये साइड पे ऐसा
हाँ,
बॉम्बे
मुंबई मार्क किया.
मुंबई मार्क करना था.
हाँ.
Oh, मैंने तो न्यू दिल्ली कर आई. New Delhi is the capital of Maharashtra.
Maharashtra, yes.
Yes. And
I
no, she actually went north में. New Delhi जगह सही है. बस महाराष्ट्र में नहीं है.
अच्छा महाराष्ट्र पूरा इंडिया नहीं है.
नहीं, bro, नहीं. But she was very proud of that. No?
If I have,
very proud.
She said with
if
a
I
full
have to
chest
make a
also.
confession, I've always had I've always had problems reading the questions correctly. Like I sometimes, like especially in history and like especially in geography, I've always some reason read the question wrong and I've given the wrong answer.
Hmm.
And like my mom, like when she used to teach me when I was younger, she's before leaving घर से, she's always told me question सही से पढ़ना. गलत लिख करा लेकिन question सही से पढ़ बस. जवाब नहीं आता है मेरे को चलेगा but question सही से पढ़.
उसको क्या बोलते हैं पता है? Silly mistakes.
हाँ, silly mistake. Silly mistake. बहुत हुई है.
मेरे ये मैथ्स में बहुत होता था.
भाई
Maths.
हाथ मिलाया तू हाथ मिला.
भाई मैं आर्ट्स
you
क्यों
know
लिया?
those- you know-
आर्ट्स क्यों लिया?
You know those people that used
Yeah,
to get fake LDs? Fuck them.
Fuck them.
Fuck
Right,
them,
yeah,
bhai.
yaar,
Dude,
nahi
bitches.
yaar.
I have been so scared of math my entire life. It started because my mom used to teach me. You know how everyone,
Yeah.
everyone's dad used to teach
No,
me,
no,
right?
mom.
No, mom.
No,
Very
my
good.
dad
Mom.
taught me.
My dad actually didn't know math properly.
My dad is great at math.
I'm glad he married someone who knew math.
Good. Yeah,
my mom-
ऐसी जोड़ी
my-
बनती है. Compatibility
Match
क्या?
made in math.
Good one. Compatibility what? मेरे को मैथ्स आता है, तेरे को मैथ्स नहीं
हाँ.
आता.
चल शादी करते हैं.
I don't think
Yeah.
I've ever asked a boy I like if he knows maths.
Yeah, I
Well,
should. He will because you don't.
No, I'm not bad at it. I'm really not. I got an 89 in maths in boards. Why?
See, I'm not bad at maths. I'm actually bad at algebra and geometry, but I'm
And-
good at
Trigonometry and
but I'm good at
math.
no, but I'm good at finance.
trust fund.
6'5"
Blue eyes. That's
No,
so
I'm-
insufferable. Sorry.
I'm really good at finance, but I like suck balls at maths. I don't know how does that work. I don't know why.
Algebra is just like formulas. and shit.
Bro, you know what I
Yeah.
don't like?
Maybe-
Those like simplify this, all that 2, and then those brackets, A plus
I
B plus.
love-
If you know it, you do it.
No.
Why are you
I
asking me?
still know it.
The question,
I
guy.
still know it.
A
A
plus
plus
B
B
square
square is equal to A square plus 2AB
Plus
plus
B
B
square.
square.
That's easy. That's because it's plus.
No,
See,
no,
minus.
I never remembered all this.
Minus is also the same, just the last sign changes before B square.
Yeah.
Like minus B square. A
Oh.
plus 2AB.
Minus B.
Minus
I
square.
B
believe her
square.
because
I
even in
believe
10th I didn't know.
No, that was my favorite.
said
I
you know.
loved
Yeah,
it.
मैंने
yeah.
algebra के paper में हक दिया था.
Even
No, no. I taught people equation. That was that good.
Yeah, she.
I didn't
taught
know,
me
but
that.
like,
She's taught me, and then मेरा 10th तक मतलब last तक I think I was better at geometry than
Yeah, Zia was very good
Let
at
me
geometry.
I was very
Yeah.
good at
There was
geometry.
this one time. You know how my fear of maths started with
Yes,
my mom, right?
yes.
Because she used to take out her anger on me when she used to teach me maths.
I mean, valid.
Because I was very insufferable.
Yeah.
I
Valid.
couldn't understand. So there was one time where she was explaining these formulas to me. And bro, she first of all, she came back from work and she had to cook. And then she had to teach me maths for my paper next day. So I'm with my notebook and like sitting cross-legged on my bed and like with the pen and everything. And then she's like, okay, Sanjana, for the last time, whatever is equal to this. And I am so scared at this point. I'm crying. My tears are falling
Yeah,
on my
on the
paper.
book. Yes.
It's
You can't see it.
you
it's all
can't see that
blurry.
there are holes in my page. It's gone to the fucking third page. And I'm like, okay.
No, but then for the next 3 pages, you're thinking, man, I cried over this.
My eyes are watering right now. I'm so scared even right now.
The book is like, लगता है यहाँ बारिश पड़ने वाली है.
And she's like, okay, right is equal to, and I literally write ISEQUAL instead of equal to sign because that's how scared I was.
And then your mom is like, tomorrow's not English paper.
No. She takes my book, flings it across the hall, and I am cold. My entire body is cold. My hands are cold. Feel my hands right now. I turned cold from head to toe. I didn't say a word. I stopped crying. My tears probably froze. I think. And I'm looking at my mom, please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. And she just like loses it. And I just go like slowly like take up my book.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude, the worst
My
part is the
sister
walk of
used to-
shame.
Oh.
Yeah.
मार जो वो बुक फेंकने के बाद तो वापस आकर तुमको फिर से वही झेलना है.
नहीं जब स्कूल में नहीं समझ आता और फिर ट्यूशन में भी नहीं समझ आता then my sister used to teach
No,
me.
then it's a lost cause.
No. Then
Then you should have given up.
Then she has taught me because she was better at like algebra and shit. She just is. I don't know how, but वो भी सिखाती. उसको भी time लगता था because I was very bad earlier before I went to the tuition. This tuition.
And you know,
I was horrible.
yeah, my brother was still better at math.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. Why
Yeah,
did your brother not teach you?
He was busy with school, na?
He can't
You
take
need
out
us.
like an hour.
He
to
used to
teach
be in his tuitions and stuff. He used to be tired, so my mom had to like step up, of course, because she's the parent.
you. Whoa. Okay.
My mom was teaching Dalen something, and it was raining outside. Okay, so you all know how my bedroom is, right?
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So
yeah.
they were sitting on the bed, and he was teaching him something, and he didn't get it. She took his book, and she didn't mean to do it, but she just flung it, and it went outside the window.
I think she just likes flinging books.
I think she lies. And then it fell inside, it fell on the ground in the rain, and then he had to go niche, get his wet book, and like
You
study
know,
from that.
Once in like 8th standard, I hated maths in the second term because in the first term,
Very funny.
in the first term, before the Ganpati vacation, I had a dabba in my bag, and that had aloo in it. Oh, and the oil leaked. Oh shit! And my maths textbook, and it smelled like aloo, and the pages were red. Every time I can smell it.
इसके लिए मैंने कभी बुक बनाई नहीं.
Again crying. Can you zoom in on this shit?
Oh my
It was a textbook. It was a textbook.
Yuck.
I could have bought a new one. It was $30.
The small one.
Yeah,
भाई वो free में मिलते थे.
I know. Bus. Oh shit!
Yuck, that's disgusting. I would have trauma doing that.
I know. That was the
Ow.
first year that we learned quadratic equations. I'm okay.
I'm scared.
Jesus.
Oh my god. Fuck. But do you have any like cheating stories?
I do a lot of
Whoa.
them.
So not like that.
She just casually dropped a lot of them.
Yeah.
I don't cheat in relationships,
That's what I said. Not like that.
but I do cheat a lot in exams. I've gotten caught in everything. But
Hashtag proud.
Yes, like pride.
everything is an experience, guys. Okay, so
Yeah.
गलतियों से
Sure.
सीखते हैं.
गलतियों से सीखते हैं. So I don't know if I should start with a story. I'll start with a story where I didn't get where I
Caught.
almost got caught,
Okay.
and then I'll talk about a story where I got proper
Fully caught.
Yeah. So this is in school, okay? And we had there was this one teacher who would check socks and shoes and everything.
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh.
There's
Y'all
always this
know-
one teacher.
y'all know what
Subtle
I'm
way of
talking
saying she has a foot fetish.
So she would check pouches. Pouch तो सारे teachers
Pouch
check करते थे.
Yeah.
She would check socks and shoes and everything also. Hair also sometimes plaits and all. She would check if she
One
would
minute.
find
Who
some
was
girl
this smart in our school to do that?
submission suspicious. There were a lot of people. I used to do that.
Plants.
Yeah, I used to do that.
बेस्ट शॉर्ट्स के अंदर देखने का उधर कौन देखेगा
हाँ.
उधर कोई
Short
देखेगा
उठाएगा
तो
तो molestation.
देखती थी भाई.
Wow.
No, I haven't had those teachers in my school now.
So वो मतलब she was very meticulous about कोई chits नहीं लेके
Yeah.
आना चाहिए.
yeah.
And this was in 8th standard. And 8th standard में I had a group of friends. I still am very good friends with them. And we have never studied. Never studied. And the three of us, we had a group of 5 people. And उसमें से the 3 of us were sitting आगे पीछे. So it's me, my friend number 1 who studies a lot, and उसके पीछे my friend number 2 who doesn't study.
Sandwich.
Sandwich. एक को पढ़ने आता है, वो पढ़ के आती है थोड़ा बहुत. मैं उसके आगे कुछ नहीं पढ़ती हूँ, उसके पीछे एक और जो कुछ नहीं पढ़ती.
चाइनीज उस पर चल रहा है इधर
हाँ. तो हम तीनों ऐसे मतलब सोच के आए थे कि तू ये वाले टॉपिक का चिट निकाल, मैं ये वाले टॉपिक का चिट निकालती हूँ वगैरह एंड ऑल. And then I made chits and everything, and I have made them into this small pieces.
Yeah.
And we had a belt, okay?
Yeah.
You guys remember our
Yeah.
PT belt?
Yeah.
So in that belt, I have like poked and kept few chits.
Oh, you poked a hole in the belt.
No, not in the belt. You know, we would tie the belt around.
Ah,
in
in the knot.
the-
in
the tie, the
in
tie.
the tie,
In the
in the
knot
tie bit.
tie, yeah.
In the
Yeah.
tie bit.
Hmm.
So, how you guys have ties for school? We used to have a belt like that on our waist.
Yeah, it was a fugly uniform.
Yeah, very, very
Yeah.
stupid. And in that, I have kept my chits. And once, I went to take my supplement, and my chit falls off. Okay, from that belt area. And
You would go to get supplements?
yeah,
They wouldn't give it?
Unless it's like towards the last 10 minutes, they wouldn't.
yeah.
What?
Yeah. Oh shit! Yeah, I
Yeah.
remember you to get up and go.
No, the teacher
And
That
would
was
then-
come
such
give
a
us.
time waste.
Exactly. And then मैंने देखा, मेरा पता नहीं कैसे ध्यान गया, I saw that the shit has fallen down. मैंने जो स्पीड में, जो इतना लाइट ईयर की भी इतनी स्पीड नहीं रहती, जितने स्पीड में मैंने ऐसा पैर रख दिया वो चिट पे, and then she heard the bang that I made with my foot, and then she's like, what happened? Nothing. And I took the supplement, and then now
अब
I'm
घस
like,
घस के जा रही है.
I cannot lift my foot now. I just
shit.
cannot. And I'm just walking like this.
Yeah.
She's
Right.
dancing in the
Kiss, kiss,
examination
yeah.
hall, like
And then and then that teacher was like, Rishi, what happened to your foot?
This is my new dance number, ma'am. Chap and slide.
And I used to participate a lot in like school events.
Is that
and
the
like,
actually the excuse you gave?
kind of.
What the
Like I used to dance and all a lot in the
Hmm.
school and everything. So I just told her that
इधर भी मन किया.
nahi bhai, I just told her that my leg is paining, like I have a sprain and everything. She's like, okay, take care. Why do you keep dancing so much? It's okay. There are other girls also, like chill out for a while and everything. And I go back.
That's what he said to me. There are other girls. Chill out.
And then I go back, I got that chin and it's like, hush, thank God.
You used it?
Of course I did. Of course.
Of
She
course,
did.
of course.
course.
I
And then
loved.
in that row, we found this one pouch which was in one of the desks. There were like 3 desks, like how I told you all, me
Yeah.
and my 2 friends. हम लोग को एक pouch मिला. वो pouch हम लोग का ट्रांसपोर्टर बन गया था. क्योंकि वो पाउच हम तीनों में से किसी का नहीं था. वो कोई तो पहले एग्जाम लिखा था, वो छोड़ के गए थे. एंड देन वी वर लाइक, अभी इसमें हम लोग डालेंगे पेपर और करेंगे स्मगल. और हम मतलब मेरा अगर कुछ आता है मुझे एंड मेरे पीछे वाले को नहीं आता, then I used to write all of that. I used to put it in that pouch. I used to pass the pouch like
Yeah.
like this. ऐसे मतलब मैम को ऐसा हाथ करके, मैम इधर से आ रही है, मैंने तब तक ऐसे pouch pass कर दिया. And then पीछे से even my friend would write something and then she would pass me the pouch. Proper ऐसे 8th standard निकला है मेरा.
But like, what if
romantic.
it's so romantic, so intimate.
Yeah.
But like, what if say you and like the person sitting behind you? What if there's like a rotation that happens? And what if you're on the last bench and that person's on the first bench?
I always fucking dreaded that, bro. I
Like,
always dreaded
that would be the end of
Yeah.
me.
If you're like
Yes.
29, 30 or like 45, 50.
50,
Oh
yes.
my.
45, 46.
45, sorry, 45, 46, sorry. It's
Yeah.
just so scary. But cheating is scarier when you are not getting caught, the person behind you is getting caught.
Oh,
Bro, it was
the
so bad. I
entire
remember,
ruckus is around your desk.
yeah, last sem 6 only.
Sem
na?
6, yeah.
Sem 6, we were together.
Yeah.
We were in the same class, and this girl behind me got caught, and it was the last question that I was writing before I
Yeah.
get my degree in hand because I knew I was going to pass, and I did. So I'm writing the paper, and this girl gets caught. Bro, मेरी फट गई.
Yeah.
Because they are doing all those investigations. She is insisting that she didn't copy. I'm like, bro, बोल दे copy किया है, आगे लोगों को लिखना है. क्योंकि वो लोग यहाँ आ रहे हैं ना, तो मुझे डर लग रहा है. भले मेरे पास चिट नहीं है, भले मैंने 2 सेमेस्टर से चीटिंग नहीं की है, लेकिन मुझे डर लग रहा है.
Yeah.
What if पहले उन्होंने कैमरा में देखा होगा और they must be suspicious.
Yeah.
What if?
What
And
if?
you know, she was so stupid. Her chit was like white paper with red ink.
अरे भाई.
So stupid. As a
Might as well gotten
Bhai.
like glitter pens and like written it nicely.
हाँ, decoration
But
carry some paper.
but
Bhai,
it was
submit
so
kar do.
stupid. You have to write in pencil or something
No,
you
but-
can't see.
But what I did was more stupid. So I got caught. I had one paper. Yeah. So I was giving my paper, and I had not carried chits of that paper that day.
अरे बाप रे.
उसके पहले मैंने जो कॉपी किया था,
हाँ.
उसके चिट उधर ही पड़े थे.
हाँ.
वो एक invigilator ने देखे
Hmm.
and then I got caught on the basis of that.
I think the smoothest that I have copied ever in my life, it was I think in Sem 4. You know, you had like what's that called?
Textbook.
No. The paper that they used to sign on.
Supplement.
No,
Hall ticket.
hall ticket.
Hall ticket.
हॉल टिकट इट
Admit
वाज माय
card.
लास्ट पेपर ठीक है
Yeah.
और वो पेपर की पता नहीं क्यों बट मेरे से ना बहुत सारा सेक्शन छूट गया था आई कुडंट स्टडी फॉर व्हाटएवर
Was it
रीजन
Sem 4?
या
Sem 3.
Sem 3 हम लोग का साथ में हुआ था.
no
No,
not
that's not she's
that
talking about.
not
Sem 4.
that
One of the
either of them
semesters.
Sem 3 or Sem 4 second year that I remember for sure
Yeah.
मेरा फट गया मैं बोला भाई बिकॉज बीए में ना लिखने का बहुत है
Yeah.
लॉजिक साइड में रख बस लिख
Hmm.
कुछ भी लिख बट लिख
Fill the paper.
Yeah.
fill the papers I'm like भाई fill the papers करूँ but लिखूँ क्या I need some at least some pointers
Matter. Yeah.
something
Yeah.
एंड उस दिन लास्ट पेपर था तो हॉल टिकट यू नो दे यूज्ड टू लाइक कम इनिशियली एंड चेक तुम्हारे हॉल टिकट के पीछे तुमने कुछ लिखा है नहीं लिखा है लास्ट पेपर के दिन कोई चेक नहीं करता ठीक है भाई लास्ट पेपर है चेकिंग इज
मुझे
डन
आज
आज
तक
तक नहीं
कभी
check किया.
हाँ.
मेरा एक बार क्या था इसके लिए मैंने याद रखा था कि अब से नहीं लिखना है
Okay.
बट उस दिन मैंने फिर एग्जाम के कुछ 10-15 मिनट शुरू होने से पहले पता है डिस्कशन होता है क्लास में और डिस्कसिंग रिमेम्बरिंग पॉइंट्स एक्स वाई जी मैंने दोस्त को पूछा कि सुन ये 2 सेक्शन है ये मैंने नहीं पढ़े हैं एंड आई हैव अ फीलिंग कि ये आने वाला है तो मैंने उसको बोला सुन मुझे खाली ऊपर ऊपर से मेन पॉइंट्स बता अंदर का ठोक दूंगी वो सीख लिया है कॉलेज में आके ठोकना मैंने हॉल टिकट पलटा मैंने सारे पॉइंटर्स नीचे पेंसिल से लिखे हैं और इतने पॉइंटर्स भर गए मेरा हॉल टिकट भर गया पीछे का ऑलमोस्ट 3/4 भर गया और उस 2 आंसर आए उसमें से
अरे वाह.
और मैंने लिखे
अरे वाह.
Oh.
मजा आ गया
Congratulations.
मैंने पिक्चर लिया उसका मैं बोला ये अचीवमेंट
Bro, Sem 3 to Sem 4
picture लूंगी।
तुझे याद है मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था? Sem 3 में मेरा रोल नंबर ही नहीं था क्लास में तो मैं
हाँ
गई
हाँ
थी
हाँ हाँ
और उन्होंने बोला ठीक है क्लास में कहीं भी बैठ जाओ. मैं ऑब्वियसली लास्ट बेंच पर ऐसा दीवार के पास बैठी थी
हम्म।
और पूरा सेमेस्टर छापा है मैंने ऐसा
मजा।
ऐसा छापा है
भाई
डेस्क
डेस्क
पे लिखा है क्या क्या नहीं आगे वाली से
हाँ।
पूछा है बहुत बहुत एंड अब मुझे उसकी आदत हो गई अब आदत होगी
नहीं।
मैं आई Sem 4 में एंड आई वाज I was in that same confidence कि आज भी जाऊंगी 1 घंटा पहले डेस्क पे लिखूंगी फर्स्ट बेंच ब्रो दिल टूट गया मैंने स्पैम पे स्टोरी डाली थी like I was genuinely in tears.
You should have
Yeah.
gone live during a paper. on
I
Sam.
should have. I
Yeah.
really should have. At least I would have used my freaking phone. Be like, ma'am, you can't do this. This is my career.
No, but I
But-
remember एक बार वो पकड़ी गई उसके बाद से stop cheating. Then it's just
तू
like
पकड़ी गई ना.
हाँ then it was just like कि जो भी आता है ना
लिख दो।
I really think you're like amateurs when you're like cheated in like your second semester.
Bro, one guy, I have to
Yeah.
give him props.
I'm an amateur. I can't cheat. I'm a very loyal person.
यार dude same आई भाई
True.
स्कूल
One
में
guy I've
चीट
got-
करने यहाँ तक आता था कि चीट करूँ नहीं करूँ एक एमसीक्यू कैसे पूछूं मेरा इतना फटता
I
था।
was very good at cheating in school. I don't know what happened in college.
no I was
You
never
grew
good
up.
at cheating
You matured.
So there was this. No, actually finish.
One guy that I know, I really have to give him props
Mhm.
for the
Mhm.
way that he used to cheat because this guy was so committed. We know him. He's our friend.
okay not
Uh,
mine okay.
You do. Once I tell you this, you will. He would wear 2 underwear every day. Between the first and the second underwear was his phone.
That statement
And-
alone.
I don't know.
And man used to get up at least twice until Sem 4. Sem 5, Sem 6, he used to only get up once because he was in the same class as me. And go to the washroom, stay there for like a good 5 minutes, check everything, come back.
No, yeah.
That
no,
was-
the,
You're learning in the washroom.
Just the amount of energy and time you're and
Wasting.
putting into that, just study.
Just
you know?
study.
He has always scored more than me. I never
Oh
understood.
fuck
I
that!
hate it.
Exactly.
I
I
hate it.
fucking hate.
But he
that.
does
Yeah.
have a lot of male privilege. My class had 4 boys. I don't want to describe them, but
yeah
yeah,
we know
you guys know.
yeah we
Yeah,
know
barely.
but हम लोग के कॉलेज में रैंडम चीजें होती थी पेपर लिखते हुए. एक बार तो लाइट चली गई थी.
Wow.
it's never
But it's
happened
always
yeah.
happened in the day, na. So
इतना
then-
मजा आया था.
Nah.
सब लोग फिर कुछ ना कुछ बोल रहे थे and stuff like that. And then oh my god, there was this one thing that happened. So in my college, it was like the 3 of us.
yeah
I have like different set of friends now. Like I had different set of friends in college. So the 3 of us, we were good friends. The 3 of us, we were good friends. And sitting आगे पीछे, ठीक है?
as always
Yeah. एंड हम तीनों एक ऐसा पिलर है
हम्म।
और पिलर के पीछे हम तीनों को जगह मिली है, तो हम तीनों बहुत खुश थे कि भाई सेक्सी जगह मिले है, आपस में डिस्कस करके पूरा पेपर लिखेंगे। मेरे आगे वाला तो ऐसा करके ही बैठ गया था पूरा
और
और
क्या
हम
चल रहा है बड़ू?
चाय पिएगा?
क्वेश्चन 2 में या यार
और हम तीनों मतलब ऐसा पेपर लिखना चालू किया वगैरह। और 3 घंटे का पेपर, 1 hour 15 minutes into the paper, the guy behind me, उसके यहाँ पे मैम जो इन्विजिलेटर थी वो साइन करने आती है ना
हाँ, हाँ।
मार्कशीट
Yeah.
पे। सो शी केम एंड शी लाइक, तुम्हारे मार्कशीट पे सीरियल नंबर प्रिंटेड ही नहीं है।
oh no
And then that guy was like, तो अब मैं क्या करूँ? She's like, you will have to write it again.
that's not fair, that's not fair, that's not
Exactly,
fair.
exactly. And then he was also like, bro, what the fuck?
Write a new serial
He was like, what we, then he was like, can I cut this and then attach or something? She was like, no, we can't do
Let
that.
me just copy because
And
copy
yeah,
will
मैंने
take lesser
लिखा
time
है।
than actually
Copy.
thinking.
Yeah.
She was ready to do all of that. Then she was
The
like,
rest
wait,
of the paper he won't be able to copy.
yeah, the time ही नहीं मिलेगा ना उसको उतना। He has
Oh,
written what
shit.
7-8 pages in
Hmm.
1.5 hour.
God, that's
And then the ma'am, she was so sweet. She was like कि हम लोग एक काम करते हैं, I'll get another serial paper and then what we can do is we'll tear off your first page on where the serial number is not printed. Then we'll attach the page जिसका serial number है.
Yeah, that's
So they
smart.
did that, but that entire like those good 10 minutes. क्या मतलब
the
हाँ,
बाकी
मुंह में आ
चीटिंग
गए।
कर ली, बाकी सबने कर ली चीटिंग मैडम।
everyone took advantage of those.
But,
10 minutes.
obviously
A special mention has to go to all those fucking bitches
Mhm.
who would promise कि हाँ भाई बता दूंगी, but पेपर में एक आवाज नहीं सुनी है तुम्हारी।
Bro, you know I
they'll
love
pretend
I have had those people sitting
I
around
never
me.
trusted such people.
Always.
they'll pretend like they didn't hear you.
Yeah,
I have
yeah.
been that. That's why I know. I have done that to the bad people.
No, no, no.
Not the good
So
people.
I will tell you what.
Bad
I give that to
bad
you.
people, not good.
I
There
give
was
that to
this
you.
guy in one of the other majors in BA, and I really want to take his name because he's such an asshole. But he's a creep. Like
Ooh.
he's from Delhi. He's a creep.
Okay.
He's
Okay, I know, I know,
Yeah,
I know,
yeah,
I know,
yeah,
I know, I know.
weirdo.
Yes.
He's just bad vibes. Okay,
Yes.
very bad vibes.
Ugly vibe.
Yeah. So this one of my friends, Nandini,
Yeah, yeah.
she was a statistics major, and he used to sit in front of her.
And she was
and
like a smart ass woman.
Very
Like,
smart.
A grades, O grades all the time.
Oh,
Yeah.
love.
So he was like, he used to always ask Nandini, "Ke show me the paper."
Hmm.
And she like, 5 semester तक उसने थोड़ा बहुत बताया था. 6th semester she had the best idea. She was like, ठीक है मैं तुझे बता दूंगी पर तू पूरा कॉपी मत करना. And every paper she used to show as a side से, and he used to copy. Last paper was statistics. She didn't show shit.
Wow.
Nothing.
that.
And because it was the last
Love.
paper and he trusted her, he didn't study at all.
Oh, the satisfaction
Yes.
I
I
am
love
feeling
that.
right now.
Yes.
I
And-
actually love that.
Love
I
it.
Because
love
I
it.
know who he is. I love that.
Yeah, exactly. People like that deserve.
I agree.
Yeah.
That's also because he's creeped out a bunch of women.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm pretty sure as well.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, and he still had the balls to ask her.
Exactly.
Yes.
Damn.
Yes.
So
I mean, an audacious man, I must say.
Yes.
I was so happy when I heard that. I was like,
Yeah.
Nandini, you've given me
That's
the best
damn cool.
graduation gift ever.
But you know, I think one of the scariest situations I've been in, especially in school,
Hmm.
especially in boards,
Mhm.
10th
Whoa.
boards.
10th boards,
So I was lucky enough to get my center as my own school.
Yeah, I got a
Yeah.
better school. People who didn't care.
No, at our school it was damn
Almost
chill.
said it. Yeah, dude. Because
Yeah.
see,
Damn
first of
chill.
all, the teachers know you. So
Yeah.
if you're from the same school, they'll be a little lenient.
Yeah.
Bro,
Yeah,
are
I
you
remember-
mad? This
No, I'll tell you how
Yeah.
lenient they were.
Yeah,
No,
yeah, they were
so
very lenient.
what
Yes.
happened to me is I was on the last row towards the window. So
Hmm.
our class had this window, okay? Like a huge window, you know.
Which
our
class were you in?
10th A.
10th A. I
Ah,
was in
okay.
9th D.
You were on the first floor.
I was on the first.
First or second floor, I don't remember.
First floor.
So
Yeah.
I was on the window side and I was on the third or fourth bench, okay? So, third bench because the first, second, third.
Hmm.
Okay, I was in third. First two were on my team, and there were other two guys from other schools.
Yeah.
Who were in the second row,
Hmm.
like next to us.
Hmm.
So the 5 of us made a group, and we were like, we will ask the answers.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, it was the last paper, and it was like MCQs or something. It
Yeah,
was like
yeah.
something basic, okay. And I was like, I'll keep this for the end because end mein it'll be chill. You know, I'll get to copy.
एक एक body
End
copy
is
करना है.
never chill. Always cheat
No,
in the
while
middle.
collecting papers. While the teacher's collecting papers, it's very easy to
It's
copy.
very
At
easy to
least
copy.
MCQ.
बता. अरे
Yeah,
नहीं, नहीं, बता.
Everyone is talking now. Something or the other is happening. So
Yeah.
no one
It's
gives a fuck
chaotic.
really.
Huh.
Yeah. But I don't mean that end. I mean
Okay.
like because by that time,
Papers.
boards ke time pe
Huh.
you're done with your answers.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah.
It's not like college,
College.
when just scrambling till
Yeah,
she
yeah,
takes
yeah,
away the
yeah.
paper.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that I agree.
Yeah. So
No,
then
but our boards, languages, I was.
languages only.
Languages
But then
only.
this was I think geography or something.
Okay.
Chill.
Yeah. So we finished much in advance.
Bro,
And I'm
1
telling
second, you got caught in geography.
No, listen,
Let her complete, let her
listen.
complete.
So it was like I don't remember why I didn't study for those MCQs because there was like 1,000
Yeah,
MCQs
yes,
in that
yes,
master
yes,
key.
yes.
I was like, I'm not going to do all of this. Fuck
Yes.
this.
Yeah.
And fuck, I should have done it. So the 5 of us were like just like asking each other and all. And then there was this one teacher, Rita. You remember
Okay.
Rita?
Oh, yeah, we
Like
do.
the strict one, English
Yeah,
one,
I
but she
know.
was good.
Yes,
Yeah.
she was
Really
very
good.
She was very good
Mhm.
teacher.
And I was on good terms with her, okay? And
Love
that's why she left me so leniently. So what happened was
Mm.
she was the invigilator for that exam and she kept like walking up
Yeah,
and down
yeah.
and she made eye contact with me like 2 or 3 times.
Hmm.
And I was like, okay, now I have to be a little discreet while copying. So what I did is I tapped the girl in front of me and I was like, hey, can you tell me this? And at that exact moment, she made eye contact with me. Very calmly, she walks from the end of the classroom to my end and she comes and whispers in my ear. She's like, if you attempt to do that again, I will not hesitate to embarrass you. I remember these exact words from 7 years
Oh.
back.
What a
Fuck.
boss move.
The same thing happened
By
to
Rita,
me
by the way.
in 10th board.
And no, after that, मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो गए.
हाँ भाई.
मेरा 10th
I was
बहुत
like-
chill था
I
भाई,
was,
बहुत
I'm
chill
not
था.
even kidding. My entire body, hair
Yeah,
stood
yeah.
up. I was
My-
like, okay, ma'am. And then once she turned back again, I just asked her and I got the answer.
My 10th
Besharam.
boards,
Yeah.
bro, my 10th boards, I used to walk in the class and I used to see, you know who used to be my invigilator most of the time? So, I was like, okay, I had, मेरा second last bench या कुछ तो था. And then, it is like during, or I was well prepared during boards. I was.
Yes.
And then I would write everything and I've written my paper. My paper is completed. And then one of my friend is in the second row
Hmm.
and I'm in the last row.
Yeah.
And she wanted to know few answers.
Hmm.
So I was like, I cannot go over there and tell her.
Yeah, obviously.
Okay. I passed my paper.
Like anyone would.
My answer sheet is in the second row and I'm nicely sitting and chilling like this. And 5 minutes before, everyone, like, ma'am is like, okay, now tie your supplements. I'm collecting the papers.
Yeah.
I'm just like, paper तो मेरा उधर है, क्या करूँ मैं? And I was like just so frantic.
No,
so
but you
mad.
thought that it will make its way back to you or something? Or
And then I'm just like,
I mean, as it should have. It's her
Yeah.
paper, but like.
But bro,
But
I
like-
will be ballsy enough to send it there. Somebody else also has to be ballsy enough to send it
Exactly.
back.
Yeah.
yeah. So then I was like,
चिट्ठी भेज दिया.
I was like, भाई दे, क्या कर रही है? She's like, 2 minutes. अरे भाई नहीं दे तू दे. And then I tell this.
Me, yeah,
ma'am,
no,
Bro,
no.
नहीं
अब भी
होगा.
धक-धक हो रहा है.
Anxiety हो रही है.
धक-धक हो रहा है भाई.
No.
क्या होगा?
And then this ma'am, she's like one bench ahead of me.
my
And she's almost coming. And मेरा paper ऐसे आया, ऐसे यहाँ से आया. और मैंने ऐसे दे दिया.
She can't, bro.
No.
What? She didn't see you taking it?
She saw it, but she knew me.
What the fuck?
What
Yeah.
the fuck?
This
That's
during
not
Bro, that
boards-
was our school was not that bad.
Bro, you should have been in that class. That class is damn good.
I would have.
I
been
have
a-
never had
Arch-
not one single teacher in
You
my
were
school to do
saying
that.
something about your boards.
Yeah. Science 1 का पेपर था, ठीक है? And Science 1, every paper I was fully prepared, but like
Chem
Science
and
1 में
physics,
एक ही
right?
problem था,
Physics.
to balance equations. I used to suck at
I
that.
used to
I
love
skipped all of
that.
hate that.
I
Oh my
used to
God.
love
और
that.
problem क्या आ गया ना?
Trauma.
Remember, we had to choose 3 questions में से any 2.
Yeah.
2 आ गए balance equations. मैं बोला चल एक तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना कॉपी. साइंस 1 का पेपर है, सब अटेम्प्ट कर लिया, ठीक है? सिर्फ वही सेक्शन बाकी रखा. This ma'am, she was so cute. As soon as she enters the class, पेपर शुरू भी नहीं हुआ है. अब तक तो पता भी नहीं है कि पेपर करने को
कौन सा
bad or
paper है?
good. नहीं, that was not the case in boards यार. बोर्ड में भाई 2 रिवीजन होते थे। और फिर वो जैसे ही क्लास में आई, उसने एक तो छोटी सी थी, इतनी धीमी आवाज थी उसकी, उसने बस क्लास में आकर बोला, if you all want to copy, you all can copy, just don't make noise. Make sure the noise doesn't go outside the class.
That was exactly.
मेरा
how it
क्लास क्रेजी हो गया
was. Same.
भाई।
Like
क्वेश्चन पेपर मिला भी नहीं है, पता भी नहीं है क्वेश्चन क्या है, लेकिन ये बताना।
हाँ.
And I was so one of my friends, मैं second row नहीं third row के second bench पे थी, और वो fourth row के last bench पे थी, मेरी दोस्त।
अलग-अलग थे तुम।
हाँ, last bench पे। और अब she has to ask me a question जिसका आंसर मुझे पता है, बट उसने बोला आवाज नहीं करना है। बट वो लास्ट बेंच पे, मैं सेकंड रो पे हूँ, क्लास थोड़ी सी काफी बड़ी है,
मैं उठ के चली जाती हूँ जरा।
और फिर उसने मुझे सवाल पूछा, मैंने उसको बताया 2 मिनट दे, बताती हूँ। मैंने अपना पेपर खत्म किया पहले, एंड as soon as I'm about to, I wasn't going to yell. मैं जैसे ही, I'm about to tell her the answer, धीरे से ना, one professor like outside passes by, and I miss by a second. अगर मैंने आवाज थोड़ी सी भी अपना मुंह खोल दिया था ना, मेरी लग जाती वहां पर।
भाई मजे.
फिर प्रोफेसर गया, आंसर दे दिया, सब हैप्पी हो गया।
Even my center, I told you it was great because there were people that were copying everywhere. I was too scared to copy. Honestly speaking.
Were you in the school that is near to our house?
I was near the Domino school.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Marathi paper, first paper, and you guys know.
अरे
You guys know
बाप रे।
me and Marathi, bro. I have cried.
Riya and Marathi are besties.
Yeah.
It's a really sad story, guys. We can make a whole episode about
मराठी
me
का
and
trauma
Marathi.
है तिला।
Every
Riala,
paper,
Marathi का trauma
Before
है.
every paper I've cried because
Yeah.
I suddenly realized that I can't read Marathi.
Honestly, crying before papers help.
Really.
Always.
But this
Nah.
teacher, we had to fill up the first page, right? This was the first time I was ever
Yeah, I hated
given a board paper.
Yeah.
So I called her. I was sitting on the very last bench. Still, I didn't copy. I called her and I was like, I'm very nervous. I just need to know how to fill. And I was like actually panting. I was having a panic before the paper because, of course, you know me. It's Marathi.
Marathi and new environment.
New
Yeah.
environment,
Dirty.
boards,
And the
very
boards-
dirty.
And guys, do you remember we had like those stickers and everything
yeah,
to
yeah.
put it was
Panic.
It was so
Unnecessary.
unnecessary. Why do you have
मेरे
to
में
do
तो
all
Yeah.
consider नहीं किया, हमने नहीं किया है।
Correct. Invigilator should do. Anyway, so she was like, it's okay, calm down, it's fine. And then she went, and then Barba, she's coming to my side, and
Check
she was
on you.
literally the first section. Like you have a composition, right? So you had grammar questions.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
that.
yeah.
She would like take the question paper and she'd like point the answers.
Oh.
Like she did that so many
That's so
times
cute.
just for that paper. And the next paper I had
Yeah.
the next invigilator, but that was so nice
So
of her.
sweet.
Yeah.
Do you
Yeah.
remember before our boards we had to go through a lot of paperwork, and our class teacher, remember they asked for our Aadhaar card.
Yeah.
I still remember my Aadhaar card number
They
because
took
of that.
pictures and
Bro.
everything.
You remember? Okay, so there was this time where our class teacher, she was damn timid. Like, class, stop making noise. This was her loudest.
This was actually her loudest.
This
I
was
can
an-
attest to
and we
that.
didn't give two fucks about
Not
her.
one. Not
Because
one.
see, first of all, when you look at anyone's Aadhaar card, they look like homeless kids. Real. Adults also look like homeless people.
Right.
Everyone looks like homeless people. So we all started looking at each other's Aadhaar card pictures and we were like laughing our fucking asses off at that point.
And we can't stop.
We tried to stop, and she's like,
really can't.
class, if you all don't keep quiet, I will not make you all write your board paper.
अरे यार, ये धमकी कभी काम नहीं करी।
Sure, babe. We'll not write
क्या ही
it.
करेंगे तू? क्या ही पेपर के ऊपर आके खड़ी रहेगी?
Illiterate for the rest of our life.
Yeah.
That will be on you.
Sure. And
It's legally not possible to do that, you know, for a child.
So
It was
funny.
so, because she cried.
She cried. She left the class because she was so exhausted and
It
like
was-
frustrated with us.
It was
Love
not.
that.
It was the entire class, yes, because everybody was in a mood that day. But I remember me, Nyasa, you, and Aishwarya. Bro,
on a roll.
Nyasa to looked like an alien.
First of all, it was so dark. I couldn't see her facial features.
Nyasa looked
नाक किधर है, आँख किधर है भाई?
Nyasa looked like she was in Paris. Kanye West.
And then even like in boards, remember when you used to walk to your class or whatever, you used to see cops outside.
Yeah.
If you get caught, 3 years in jail. भाई मेरी जो फटी है
You
वो
can't
time
even
पे.
go to jail. You're like a minor.
But they used to
Juvie,
put that in
whatever,
you, na? Like jail.
I wonder if somebody's actually even caught like that.
भाई
इतना
नहीं
बुरा
होगा
तो नहीं
यार,
करेंगे
नहीं
यार।
होगा
नहीं
यार।
इतना बुरा तो
भाई
नहीं
मैक्स टू मैक्स डीबार कर दिया होगा, भाई जेल वेल नहीं दिया होगा।
नहीं
हाँ।
अरे देख के छोड़ देते थोड़ा सा सुना मतलब
Actually
ऐसे
वहाँ पे ही
समझा
सुसु
समझा
निकल
के।
जाती है, फिर बोलेंगे कि छोड़ ही दे.
हाँ भाई मुँह दिया अब थोड़ी लेके जा
अब मुँह
सकते
दिया
हैं।
हक भी दे. Bro, speaking of boards, I remember once I had finished board exams, and of course you are in that what do I do with my life stage. And my dad had somehow convinced me to pursue cosmetology or like dermatology, and like professionally. So
Hmm.
for that, I didn't realize that I would have to do an MBBS. And even now, like now, after like 5 years, I know MBBS के बाद जब post grad में dermatology करते हैं, dermatology का cut off सबसे ज़्यादा होता है post grad के लिए. और सबसे कम यूजुअली गायनोकोलॉजी का होता है, रेडियोलॉजी का बहुत ज़्यादा होता है क्योंकि you know you don't really have interaction with patients and radiology. मनी बहुत है कैंसर वगैरह के लिए. So
I
now
have a lot of relatives who are radiology doctors.
I can tell by your spending habits. Anyway, so I had decided कि I will try for NEET.
ओहो
Yeah, and then I after boards ended, no, I started seeing all those. I used to read like the paper and it's all those ads for Akash and Pace and
Rao
It's like,
IIT.
it is not too late. You can still join the classes for 2 years later. कोई तो मुझे पेपर देना है और मुझे classes last year चालू करने चाहिए थे.
बाप रे।
Actually
Born
Bro,
होते ही भाई।
मेरी
जब तू माँ के पेट में थी तभी चालू करना
हाँ
चाहिए
भाई।
था.
मेरी
हाँ.
लग गई भाई. I was like, I can't do this. I don't think. Imagine me as a fucking doctor, please.
Can't.
Don't want to.
Just can't.
Exactly,
watch this,
exactly. I feel like the only way I see myself being a doctor is like if I acted as a doctor in a movie.
Role play.
Not that, not getting any.
even there was, even I had that phase where I was like, मुझे doctor बनना है. Because my sister was pursuing
Yes.
Medicine.
She's actually good at it.
Yeah.
And she's good.
She is a doctor now. Hey, congrats, Siri. So even at that point, because I used to see everyone like praising her, and everyone was like very proud of her becoming a doctor and everything, wanting to become a doctor and everything. And even I was like, मुझे भी doctor बनना है, मुझे भी AIMS में जाना है,
Attention chahiye.
attention चाहिए.
Let's say the truth here.
Yeah. And then she was also for a while very happy, and then she was like, oh, like
I loved them for a while, very happy. She was
I
like,
mean, you go there, it's fucking dead bodies that you have
Yeah,
to work
man.
on.
she was like, I influenced her like that, so she was
like
happy.
that, like that. Okay.
Yeah,
हाँ.
and then after a point, then if anyone would ask me, I was like, नहीं, मैं डॉक्टर ही बनने, मतलब मैं करूँगी MBBS, फिर उसके बाद मुझे अपना बिजनेस ही करना है.
Of
And
course, वो तो time pass के लिए.
And then few people would come and be like, क्या organ का business करेंगे, क्या बाद में doctor बनके?
Good business idea.
Bro, this guy I saw, it was a reel, this guy pulled up. No. He pulled up and he just got like a laborer on the street walking. He was like, आधे घंटे का काम है, गाड़ी में बैठ जाओ. Poor guy.
I know.
Poor guy ना. तो he sat in the back because he's like, आधे घंटे का काम है, मुझे 100-200 रुपए मिल जाएंगे. Bro, it's such a cruel prank. He picked up the phone and he was like, kidney भी है, भेजा भी है, और मतलब whatever, his organs are all intact. वो bro पीछे, मेरा एक किडनी नहीं है, मेरा एक किडनी नहीं. Bro, he got so scared.
That's a
very
very
cruel.
bad.
And he started crying us, साहब मुझे मत लेकर जाओ. But it's very sad यार.
आज मैं market
It's kind of
मैं
funny
होती-
also, like I laugh at those.
मैं होती तो बोलती भैया मैं तो भूत हूँ.
आज मैं market गई. कौन सा black market?
I saw one more reel like that. ऐसे मतलब एक बंदे ने 4-5 बच्चों को गाड़ी में बैठाया था.
Oh, I saw
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
That's
too good.
So
That's too
funny,
good.
bro.
I love
So
this
funny.
reel.
क्या 4-5
4-5
so-
छोटे बच्चों को लिया गाड़ी में, एक चॉकलेट दूंगा बैठ जाओ वगैरह.
bro.
And then
It's a prank. It's a prank.
after that he was like कि अभी तुम लोग को लेके जाता हूँ मैं, ऐसे ही बैठोगे किसी और के गाड़ी में तो ऐसे ही
अब
होगा.
दिखाता हूँ.
अब दिखाता हूँ.
भाई डरा दिया.
नहीं अंकल जाने दो जाने दो अंकल please, please, please.
Bro, you've seen that? Sorry, what is this turned into? But in that Uber share, एक बंदा पीछे बैठा, एक बंदा बाजू में बैठा. ड्राइवर ने एक के ऊपर क्लोरोफॉर्म लगाई और वो बेहोश. He's also part of the prank.
बब्बू अभी आ रहा है अभी.
और वो पीछे का खिड़की से उतर के जा रहा था.
The पीछे वाला is actually getting pranked. आगे के
अच्छा,
दोनों
okay,
are part of the
okay,
prank.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
So he's trying to escape because he's
Oh, wait, have you seen that other one? There's the driver. Okay, there's the driver. There's like a dead body, pretend dead body in the back seat. And this guy comes, like a new guy comes in the passenger seat. This driver says, मैं पानी लेने जा रहा हूँ. He goes out. The dead body gets up. And this guy who's getting pranked, he's like, पापा अभी आ रहे हैं, अभी आ रहे हैं, अभी दफना देते हैं तुझे.
No. The
funny,
lift
bro.
pranks are damn funny.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
the
yeah.
photo frame and there'll be a person.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Crazy.
so that is what happens when you go from studies to Instagram, guys.
Yeah.
Don't do what we
Yeah.
just did.
हमेशा book खोलते 2 मिनट फोन पे.
This is what we see
This,
on
this
yeah.
is
2-minute break. This is what
exactly
we see.
exam season for you guys. It is. We've made it into a nice gift, and this is the bow on top.
Yes.
So we really hope that you enjoyed today's episode. And if you guys did, like, share, subscribe, comment what you guys were like when you had your exams, or if you're still in college or school, please let us know. And let us know what else you would like us to
And
talk
if
about.
you guys are studying and want to take a break, come to this episode and watch this.
Watch
Yes.
Yeah.
Besides that,
I really missed you all, by the way, in the last episode.
yeah,
Yes.
we missed you.
Two.
Two.
Bye, क्या
As
हो
if
रहा है?
you're
चारों paper
pretending.
लिख
Once
रहे हैं.
you pretend as if like we don't meet.
I miss them. I miss
Acha, okay. Fair.
The audience.
You miss the
the
audience.
audience.
Anyway, before you go, make sure that you follow us on Spotify and give us a good rating over there if you like the show. And we would really appreciate that. Also, DM us with what you would like us to see. Follow us on Instagram and do all the good stuff. Until next time, stay
Stay
patient.
patient.
Bye bye.